Alright guys, so first impressions of these lights at night. Holy crap, they are bright. Getting onto a on-ramp right here. Good cast to the left, good cast to the right, and I have not adjusted them at all like I let you guys know, so they're actually pretty spot on. When we get closer to a wall, I'll show you guys that I should probably bring the passenger side just down a little bit, but I mean, these things, first impressions, holy smokes. Very bright, not blotchy at all, no horrible cutoff. I mean, these things are solid. And even with all these lights around, as we get up to the toll bridge, horrible lights would start to get, you know, kind of washed out a little bit, but you could still see these in front. Nice white light, so it's making all the reflectors light up. Tell like on the wall over there that the passenger side is up a little bit, but 2-lane little bridge right here, and you can see the light, and of course camera doesn't pick it up the best, but you can see a bunch of light over here, all the light over there, and even down here towards the left hand side, it is not like a horrible cutoff at all. Super solid. And now with no other car pollution, you guys can see the light. Alright, so going down this road with no light pollution, you can see how the passenger side is a little bit higher, but I rolled down my window and you can see to the left-hand side the light output over there, and then of course I have 5% tint on that side, so you can't really see that well, but it does cast over here really well. And then roll down the window and then you can actually see out that way. So the light performance, guys, is really, really impressive. We'll go ahead and get outside once I park it, but you can see again the passenger side just a little bit higher, so I definitely need to lower that side down, and then we'll turn on the brights. Brights are decent. Park right here, so the brights will probably fill that up. Turn the brights off. Brights actually shoot up pretty high. Turning left again. You can see pretty good while turning. Turn our brights on. Brights off. So on the camera, I can realize that it's not picking it up, but it goes all the way down there to the trees and the little bit of grass down there. And that's probably easily, man, 300-400 feet away, I'd want to say. So I turned the one side back to white light. It's super dewy tonight, so this is actually kind of cool. You can see how the lights are casting through right there. Zoom all the way out. Pretty freaking solid. I like that it's dewy. That's kind of cool. So you can see the beams in it right there. Then this is what your blinkers will look like at night. So we got the sequential turns, and now they're all lined up with each other. So when I had it on amber before, it wasn't really lined up that well, but now it is. Go ahead, turn on the brights. I'm gonna turn on the brights. Turn them off. You guys can see when the brights turn on how it kind of flickers inside, just kind of like lifts it up or lifts it down. I'm not sure what it does inside, but it does that, so it'll pitch two of them up higher. All right, and so I have it locked. I'm gonna wait for the DRLs to shut off, but this is the brightness of just the DRLs. Super bright at night. All right, and here is your unlock feature.